Good morning, students. How are you? I hope everybody is fine and happy. Okay. Previous class, we studied the properties of addition, isn't it? So, what are the properties we studied? When we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. So, any bigger number you add, you will get the number itself. 2848 plus 0, 2848, isn't it? Then when we add 1 to a number, we get the successor of the number, isn't it? Next property we saw, commutative property. It means what? You change the order, the addition what you get will be the same. Okay. Next property we saw as associative property of addition. It is that a change in the grouping of addends does not change the sum of the number. Okay. So if you take 3 numbers, if you change the order and add, you will get the same answer. With this property, we are going to do the exercise 2.1, fill in the blanks. Okay. Fine. So here, first division, fill in the blank. A sum, 82,569 plus blank is equal to 82,569. So what we have to fill here, you want the same number, what you can add? If you add 0, you'll get the same number. Yes, first property. Next, when you add 1 to it, a bigger number, what do you get? You get the successor, isn't it? So 99,999 plus 1 is what? Yes, very good. It is 1 lakh followed by 5 zeros. If you have any doubt, you just add and see. 99,999 plus 1. Okay. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 0, 1, 10, 0, 1, 10, 0, 1, 10. 1 plus 9 is 10, 0, 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. So 1 followed by 5 zeros. It is 1 lakh. Yes. Next, what is it? Blank plus 0 is equal to 1 lakh. So what do you have to do? Same thing. When a number plus added with 0, you get the same number. So you have to take and write that number. So it is 1 lakh. Is it clear? Right. Next, we are going to see the property of commutative, isn't it? So 58,741 plus 3,20,056 is equal to dash plus 58,741. So A plus B is equal to B plus A, like that. So what will be your answer? 3,20,056. Yes? Yes, you can copy in the book itself. Next, we are going to see the associative property. Here you have changed your groups. The answer will be the same, isn't it? So they have grouped these two numbers. Here they are grouping the first two numbers. So what is the first number here? 35,621. It's already there. Plus a blank is there. So we can write this number. What is that number? 98,230. So this property is associative property. Okay, fine. Next we are going to see the second division. Find the sum of the following. Now we are going to add the number. Can you read along with me? What is this number? It is, if you find it is difficult, always try to find the place value of it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So how will you read it? 3,57,437. Is it clear? Now, like that you read this. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 2,34,302 or 302. Yes. So when you add, same way you have to write it in the place value digit. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Fine. Now you can write the numbers. So always go from left to right. So 7, 3, 4, 7, 5, 3. The next number is 2, 0, 3, 4, 3, 2. Now we can add. Put the addition symbol. You can add easily. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Isn't it? So carry over 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. Is it clear? Yes. So how will you read this number now? You can group it. So what is the answer? 5 lakh. Yes. 91,739. Yes. Fine. Now we are going to see the number stories. Here, a library has 45,870 English books. Next, 34,935 Hindi books and 65,716 books in other languages. Find the total number of books in the library. Fine. So here you want to write it in the statement. I have already said to you. So how will you write it in the statement? So here they have given the number of books, isn't it? They are asking for number of books. That is the way. That's the number of books. That too they are asked for total. So it is addition. It's very clear it is addition. So what will you write? Number of what books? English book. English books is equal to 45,870. Leave enough space and write. Okay. Next what we are going to see? Hindi books. So number of, so of you have to put. So number of Hindi books. Okay. Hindi books. That is equal to 34,935. So see to that all the numbers are straight. So your addition will be correct. Next, number of other languages book we want, isn't it? So number of other language books. Is equal to. So all the equal to should be same. That's what I wrote it down, right? So you should not keep on writing. If you keep on writing, your addition will be wrong, right? So you can take it and write that number, 65,716. So everything is straight. Can you observe? Right. Now you are going to, they are asking total number of books, isn't it? So therefore, total number of books is equal to add it, right? So the same way you can add 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11, right? 1 carry over 1 on the top, right? 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 2 carry over 1, right? 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 7. It's 25. So, write 5, carry over 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 6, carry over 1. Okay. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Is it clear? Yes. Now, how will you read this? Again, the number has become bigger, isn't it? So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so 1,46,521. Okay, number of books you have in the library. Is it clear? Good. Same way, we are going to do another sum. On a holiday, Ram's family spent rupees 5,356 on petrol, rupees 7,365 on food, and rupees 4,050 on sightseeing. How much did Ram's family spend in all? So there before sum we saw the question as total, right? Here spend in all, together. These words represent addition. Okay, fine. So what will we do? How will you write the statement here? What is asked here? It is all related with money, isn't it? Yes. So should not write number of. Should not write. So how will you write this? Amount, isn't it? This is rupees means you can say it as amount. So what will be your statement? Yes. Ram's family spend rupees 5,656 on petrol. So you can write it as amount spent on petrol. So you can write it with rupees, you have to write. So 5,356. Yes. Next. What is next is on food. So same thing. Amount spent on food, that is equal to rupees 7,365. Okay. Next, amount spent on sightseeing. Rupees 4,050. So now I am going to find the spend in all. So total, therefore total amount spend is equal to, you can add, right? Yes, fine. So I am going to add 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 0 is 11. So 1, carry over 1. Right? 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 7, carry over 1. Right. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Yes. Next, 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So how much rupees they have spent? 16,771. Is it clear? So you have to put the rupees symbol here. Yes. Same thing. You can do it in the next sum also, the same model. So here it is given as a man bought a car for rupees 5,71,800 and a house for rupees 25,86,900, and he spent rupees 2,85,000 for reconstructing the house. Find the total amount of money spent by him. So you have to write the statement like this and do it in the homework note, right? So B sum and fifth sum is homework. Okay. Next we are going to see subtraction. Okay. So you know subtraction, isn't it? Right from first standard you are reading. So I'll just remind you some important words on that. The greater number or the number from which we subtract the other number is called minuend. That you know. Next, the smaller number or the number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. Okay. The result that we get after subtracting is called the difference. Okay. So always we subtract the lesser number from the greater number. These things you know, isn't it? Fine. Now we are going to subtract without regrouping. Okay. So first you have to write the place value of all the numbers. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. Next what you have to do? Find which is the bigger number. This is the bigger number or this is the bigger number. This is the bigger number. So from this you are going to subtract this. Can you see? Yes. This is the number. Here from is given and this is the number. So from 67,261 you are going to subtract 42,151. Is it clear? Right? Fine. So in addition, when you add in any way, it is correct. But in subtraction, it is not correct. Isn't it? So first you have to see which is the bigger number. So the bigger number is 67,261. So that you can write it. 1, 6, 2, 7, 6. Okay. Next, what is the number? 1, 5, 1, 2, 4. So from 67,261, we subtract 42,151. So these two are, this is minuend, this is subtrahend, and what you are going to get is difference. Okay. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. So the very next number you get, the answer is 1. Understand? 9 minus 8 is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. So answer is 25,110. Okay, fine. Next we are going to see subtraction with the regrouping. How to do with regrouping. Same way you have to write it in the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Then from which number? Bigger number you have to write it first. So 8, 6, 3, 6, 6. Yes. Next you write the lesser number which is 9, 5, 4, 3, 1. Okay. Why ma'am is writing from left to right to left? We are moving by this way. Why we are moving? This number might be smaller number. So when you start writing from here, from this side to this side, it will go wrong. So that's what I always start from the side. Okay, from ones digit to moving towards the higher value. Understand? Fine. So now we want to subtract. Okay, so here this is ones digit. So 8, I have here 9. It won't go, isn't it? For that what I will do? I am going to borrow, right? So what will happen? From here tens, I am going to give 1 10 here. So this will become, if I take 6, this is 6 tens are here. If I take 1 10 means it will become 5 10. Okay, with the before number. Then this will become 10 plus 8 will become 18. Okay, fine. So 18 in the mind, you take 9 fingers. So 18 before, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Now here the same 3 and here it is 4. So it won't go. So I go here. So this will become before number 5 and this will become 13. 13 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 13 before, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. Yes. Fine. So I will teach you one small trick here. See here, if you have a bigger number, right? Here 18. Isn't it? 18 minus 9 is 9, isn't it? That we have found out. Before that, you should know 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 plus 8 is 16. This is 2 table. Okay. 9 twos are 18. 8 twos are 16. 7 twos are 14. If you know this, so this bigger number, when you subtract 16 from 8, your answer will be 8. Okay. Same thing, if you subtract from 18 to, when you subtract with 9, your answer will be 9. Okay. So that will be an easier way of subtracting. So how 5 plus 5 is 10, isn't it? So 10 minus 5 is, answer is 5. Yes. Yes. Do you understand? 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Yes. With this, you can easily subtract and write. Is it clear? Fine. So with this, I stop. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, dear.